Hello guys, today this is Ethan from One Reviews, and today I'm going to be doing a review on the BlueNEXT wireless USB Wi-Fi adapter. As you can see, I've still got the original box and floor up. So, the box, and this, get out of the packaging. This here is the BlueNEXT wireless USB adapter. This will plug this into your desktop PC, and it gives you wireless network connection to your BT Home Hub or whatever. A fantastic buy. I bought this for about £8.50. I can't remember where exactly I bought it from. I bought it off Amazon, but I can't remember the seller, so I won't be able to put a link in the description to buy this. But nonetheless, you can get up to a 54 Mbps connection with your Home Hub, and inside the box you get a installation disc of all the drivers, so you can like plug it in and connect to your Home Hub or whatever. So it's just really basic and simple, no extra add-ons or anything, but a very reliable buy. Also, you get instructions on how to set it up. The instructions aren't bad. They're really detailed, well, extremely detailed in actual fact, but it's not that hard to set it up. So yeah, all you do is just plug it into USB, set it up, and you're away. But it's a cheap one, but nonetheless it is a fantastic model and buy, and I would highly recommend getting one if you can find one. I will put in the description of the name of the make, and so you can try find one like this. Highly recommended. And yeah, that's about it really. Good connection as well, very solid connection. So it's been Ethan from One Reviews. Hope you enjoyed this, and remember to comment, rate and subscribe. Thanks.